Hello everyone, I would like to show you my BB guns. No, I need to balance this. Okay, I guess that's good enough. Okay, first I'll show you the pistol. Well, it's got a nice firm grip. Got a nice clip. Right, I'll just shoot this metal target that I created. Okay. Oh, God damn it, jammed. Oh. Well, I just put 3 bullets in that. Okay. And now this gun. Really good, I think, yeah, actually I don't know what gun this is. But, pretty nice. Oh, oh. Yeah. Yep, I still have that now. No, I'll just put this extra layer of tinfoil in so you can see the actual bullets. Yep, out of ammo. And there's this one BB that I've covered in tinfoil because most bullets would have damage from impact. So I wanted something that would actually have bent metal and all sorts around it after impact. And I've just made it for the pistol. So what will I shoot? Maybe not that target, something paperish. So we can actually see the metal. And if it gets stuck anywhere, oh, this metal's got stuck to the target itself from all the shots. Okay. Nope, can't use that piece of paper. Yeah, I can use this one, this picture I just filled. Okay. Ah, there's a metal bullet. Okay. No, I can't put it in that area. Don't want to scratch any of the tinfoil off. Now, ready? Fire. Oh, I didn't cut the gun. I need to get it unstuck now. Oh, I think it jammed, that's why. Yeah, it's jammed. The bullet I made jammed it. Wait a second, where did it just go? What? Did it load? What the hell? Something just hit. Okay, let me just make another one of those bullets. Okay, my brothers are in a fight. You're just sitting watching while I'm trying to wrap this BB in metal while my brothers are fighting. As you just heard them fighting in the background. Yeah, you could hear that in the background. Oh yeah, I have a dog now. Dang it, I just messed up the bullet. Nope. Yeah. Now I need to make it again. Yeah, there we go. Dang it! Fights always happen in this house. Yeah, Charlie, just let him in. Brody, you can't die from losing your hands. Yeah, he's weird. Almost done. God damn it, I just messed it up again. You know what, you could just skip the video until the bullet's actually done. Okay. And finally I've done. Now, where's the clip? Oh yeah, I've got the gun. Okay, let's just get this in. And done. It's in. 3, 2, 1. Dang it. Stuck again. Oh, I know. Okay, let me just get another bullet in there. That might fix the problem. Dang it. Let me just... Oh, I see it now. I need something to just clean out the tube of the gun. Like a stick straight. Found something already. Paintbrush. There we go. Yep, that bullet just ripped apart in lots of pieces. Yep, lots of pieces. I only see one part of that bullet. This is the only part I can find from that bullet. So it's ripped apart in midair. I could tell it's from the bullet because it's round. Round shaped. So now I need to make it again. So just skip along until you see me put it on the camera again. Actually, never mind, yeah. This time I'm actually making it pretty quick. God damn it. Let me just wrap this back out. Don't worry, this is an easy fix. And done. Oh, it's perfect shape. 3, 2, 1. Ah, yeah. Not again. Whoa. Ripped to shreds again. Like a shotgun. Okay, I need to look at this. Whoa. Lots of twisted metal. Twisted metal that's been ripped from other parts. Oh! Well, I found one of the older ones. I know it's kind of boring at the moment, mostly because keeps jamming and then breaking. Okay, ready again. 3, 2, 1. That time it didn't jam. Okay, let's look around if there's any remainders. Well, I saw one part that fell off that I could get. Whoa! What the hell was formed from this? This was a remainder of that bullet. The bullet went straight through the casing. And now it looks like an original bullet casing that's been eaten away, kinda. Wow. That's actually pretty cool. Wow. Wonder how the inside of a BB gun looks. Like, how do they reload and all that. So then I could actually make shells that they go in. Because this looks like a shell. Like that there. Well, I just need the camera to focus. That there is where the bullet came out. Where I need to move it a little way. And I dropped it again. Dang it. Okay. So that's how it actually shot the BB. This is what came out. Okay, it's pretty easy to make it. You just wrap one in it, but you have to do the thinnest layers. You don't want to make it too thick or it won't fire and it'll jam. Yeah. You need it nice and smooth as well. That's why it took me so long. Then I try to do one with a pointy end. Will it jam? Let's find out. Well, actually, maybe it will jam. Yeah, it's definitely gonna jam, like how it's just jammed in this gun now. Well, they're going back. That actually shot. I thought it was gonna jam. As you can see, no bullets stuck in. I want to see if there's any metal actually stuck there, like it went through the paper. I'll show you. Right there. Why is the screen doing this? Why is the screen just doing rainbows? Okay, that's a weird glitch I just found. Now let's see if I can find that metal bullet from it. And I found it! Okay. Can I find any intact structural damage? Structural damage. Okay. And yes. Damage on two sides. That's the first damage spot. And the second damage spot. The pointy end is gone. And... sorry, just clogged nose. Wonder what happens if I shoot it out of wall. I can't really do that now though, because, well, it would reflect straight back to me. You know what? I'm just gonna get this gun now. Gonna test that type of bullet inside of that gun now. Needs to be more smooth in order to fit. So one this size could fit easy. Oh, that doesn't come out unless... Okay, I'm gonna make this use it as a shell. Not the bullet itself, just shell. So the metal will rip out. There you go. Okay, putting only one bullet in there, which is the metal one. Oh, I forgot to put this up. Okay. 3, 2, 1. You actually did it. Wow. You actually used it as a shell and not the bullet itself. Here's what came off. BB came out, shell gets left behind. And this used to be a ball. used to be in a ball shape around that one BB. I could even get another BB to compare. And that is what came out, and that's what's left behind. So when it got shot out of pressure, when I blasted that out, well, I could tell what side was what. Where you saw the holes is the side facing you and the other side. So that's why it blown open like that, like a Pac-Man opening his mouth. Okay, let me try and wrap it around another BB and see what metal is missing. Oh, it's not missing any metal. Yeah, this is what the BB looked like before it was shot. You had to have one side open in order to fire. Let's fire that one shell with the same shape again and see if it happens again. Where the shell would just fly off and the bullet would go for its target. 3, 2, 1. I don't think the shell came off. I don't know if the shell came off. Oh, it's not working. I think it came off though. Let's just bring the target towards me and let's see. Oh. Wow. Now I can see what happened to the shell. Okay. All those shiny bits in there that you see are pieces of the shell on that bullet. The bullet that I just shown you. Bye everyone.